Just push it down there. Then I'm going to pull, tug. I need to be very careful with my index finger because my index finger is kind of curved. So I don't want it to wrinkle at the edge. So I'm going to go left. I'm going to go right. And then I have to take off the excess here as well. Push it all the way down. Perforate the edge. And take off the excess. I'm going to use the nail file again. Under the nail. Under the nail. Under the nail. Pull that out. Now I want to even out these edges here. And I have some excess on the left as well. So I'm going to go under the nail. And there goes the excess. I always like to push and make sure everything is secure.